Good morning, students. I am Professor Aarti Prasad, Assistant Professor, EX Department, SIRT College, and the subject is Energy and Environmental Engineering, and the code is the ES 301, and today's the topic is Structure of Ecosystem. First, we discuss what is ecosystem, then we discuss structure of ecosystem. This is the diagram of the ecosystem and the environment. What is concept of ecosystem? Everything is the natural world is connected. So plants and animal depend on each other to survive, and this connection of living thing to each other is called biodiversity. Biodiversity means bio means life and diversity means variety, variation. Right. So these plants and animal within an area interact with each other and with the non-living elements of the area, such as climate, water, soil, and so on. Or you can say ecosystem is a group of plant and animal along with the physical environment with which it interact. So this ecosystem, short form ecological system, this is the community of living and non-living thing that work together, and it is the community of living organisms like plant, animal, and microbes in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment, like air, water, and mineral soil interacting as a system. And this can be defined as the community of plants, animal, and smaller organisms that live, feed, reproduce, and interact in the same area of an environment, right? So it is the community of living and non-living that consider as a unit. So, and this is the structure of the ecosystem we discuss. This is the flow chart of the ecosystem. This is again further divided into two parts. Ecosystem, that is biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic means living and abiotic means non-living. First we discuss abiotic. Abiotic means abiotic component determine the type of organism can live in a specific area, and this component can be physical component and the chemical component. What is physical component? Physical component usually includes sunlight, water, soil, temperature, etc., and these are necessary growth of species, like sunlight necessary for photosynthesis, water essential for living things. Then discuss soil, so it provide base and the nutrition. And the chemical component provide necessary nutrition to the organism, like carbohydrate, protein, liquid nitrogen, oxygen, and so on. So this is the abiotic component, and we discuss biotic component means living. So this is again divided into four part: producer, consumer, and the decomposer, right? So first we know what is biotic component. Biotic component are living organism of the ecosystem, and this component includes this biotic component include plant, animal, fungi, bacteria, and their living organism, right? So this is divided into three category, that is producer, consumer, and the decomposer. So first we know what is producer. This uses energy from the sun, like nitrogen, phosphorus, from the soil to produce high energy chemical compound by the process of the photosynthesis. And this energy from the sun is stored in the molecular structure of these compound, and these are often referred as a being in the first growth level. These are called autotrophs. Now move on to the consumer. What is consumer? This uses energy or a food stored by the producer. They not made food for own. So this category consumer are this again divided into four parts: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and the decivorous. Herbivorous or a primary consumer are those who eat producer directly, like man, elephant, rabbit, right? Carnivorous means or a secondary consumer eat primary consumer, like tiger and loin. Omnivorous for both producer and the animal, like fox, frog, etc. Right? So then move to the decomposer. What is decomposer? These are very important in ecosystem as they're responsible for recycling of nutrition. And this attack on a dead producer animal and waste, making them simple stable compounds. So this compound can then be used as a nutrition by the producer, like bacteria and the fungi. So these are the structure of the ecosystem. Thank you.